Okay, so this is the first start I'm doing after replacing these carbs for the, not replacing, but working on these carbs, removing them and installing them for the second time. Initially I installed it and then I had a leak, so hopefully this will be second time, hopefully works. So I'm going to turn the choke on. I'm going to pull the choke and let me turn the petcock on. The bike is absolutely cold. You can see I'm touching it. This is the first start after installing the carbs. So turn it back on. And then let me prime this. 1, 2. Turn the ignition. It's on run. Everything is good. All right, let's see. Okay. 2. Okay. All right, hopefully, let's go. Oh, all right, there we go. Oh God, I hope it works. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna check for leaks now. Hopefully there's no leaks. And I don't see any leaks. Idle. Change the idle. I think the idles are a little too low. A little smoke coming out. That's to be had. One thing I'm noticing now, looks like I got a fourth leak now. Something brand new. This wasn't leaking back then. Now all of a sudden I got a leak here. It seems like there's leaks all the time. You fix one thing, you mess up another. Alright guys. Hopefully this helps you out.